Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Sora app on your iPhone. It's super easy, and you're probably going to want to do this if you're seeing any bugs or new features ahead. So let's break down the steps right here. First off, open the App Store on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen. If you can't make out where it is, just swipe down and use Spotlight Search. Type App Store and tap it to open. Now, what you're going to want to do is look for the Sora app. Tap the Search tab at the bottom. In the search bar, type Sora, just like me, right here. You'll see the Sora app icon pop up in the results. Go ahead and tap on it. If there's an update available, you'll see the Update button instead of Open. Tap on Update. Your iPhone's going to download the new version, and the progress circle's going to fill up. Wait a bit until it's done. Then you can tap Open to launch the updated app. But hey, if you don't see any Update button, that's okay. It probably means your iPhone already updated Sora automatically in the background. When auto updates are turned on, your device takes care of it for you, so you might not even notice. But when the app interface changes or new features come in, that's your sign it's been updated automatically. Anyways, if you'd like to check or turn on auto updates, open Settings. Scroll down and tap App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, make sure the App Updates toggle is on. That way, your iPhone keeps every app, including Sora, up to date without you having to do anything. That's it. You're all set. You've learned how to manually or automatically update the Sora app on your iPhone. Make sure to keep it updated to avoid bugs and get new AI video features as they roll out. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask in the comments. I'll help you out right away.